What is it, Parker?
A fire engine.
Your fire engine. Biddy. Nice, all.
Yeah.
What have you been building, boys?
Parker garage.
Has Ollie been building you a garage? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Today we've also got another jam-packed day, and we're gonna go and board. I think is it Cermony Bridge sightseeing tour? How many?
6.
We're doing a
6 or
river
7?
cross, but we're a little bit late because it's foggy this morning.
Yeah, it's been a
The
bit
fog's
misty.
clearing now.
I was really fortunate this morning. I got ready really quick, headed out in search of croissants and bread, and the guys have just chilled in the apartment this morning.
And the croissants was perfect.
Oh, see?
And the apartment's massive.
I have 5 things to say, 5 fingers on my hand. Lord knows I can't do much, but baby, I do what I can. Before the day I met you, this world did not exist, nor any other like it, baby, I am sure of this. And whatever I was searching for, it was always you. Now that I have found you, let me tell you what I'll do. I have 5 things to say, 5 coins to give away. You know my money's counterfeit, but accept it anyway. When everything I own gets burned away, goes up in smoke, I can walk away and laugh about it, treat it like a joke, 'cause if it's only just...
What were they for?
For Dada.
Oh.
It's for Dada.
Do you want me to look after him?
Yeah, put them in your pocket.
Oh, thank you.
Put them in
I
your
will. Oh, that's cute.
But this cannot so
That will cool you right down.
Parker, what's that like?
nice.
Is it nice? What's yours like, Albine?
Nice.
Parker, where are we going now?
On the boat.
On a boat. Oh, are you excited?
Can we go on the boat?
Yeah, we can. Yeah?
Thanks.
Thanks. What are you going to do on the boat?
Gonna play in the prayer in the boat.
I don't think there's a play area on this boat.
Is it a prayer?
No, not on the boat.
On a prayer.
Well, what if we look for some fishes on the boat?
I'm gonna play.
Alright, we'll look for a play area. Are you excited to go on the boat?
That's really all I need. Sometimes I can't remember why I learned to count to 3. Oh, you are the sky that my spirit circles in, the love inside of love. Oh, you are the soul sing. I'm gonna sing them with my whole heart, really give it everything. I'm gonna open up this heart and put my soul out on display. All the anger and frustration, all the sadness and the pain. But there is joy and there is happiness tucked up in there too, spilling out into this love song that I'm singing just for you. Oh, you are the sky that my spirit circles.
Anyway, Porto gets a big, what does it get, guys? Does it get a thumbs up or a thumbs down? What's Porto get?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Sorry.
Thumbs up from us. We've really enjoyed exploring Porto.
Right, we're back. So,
We had the best time in Porto ever.
yeah, Porto was amazing.
It was so good.
But yeah, just thought we'd have a little chat and show you this forest.
Yeah.
It's got a lovely beach at one side, and then on the other side of the beach is this lovely pine cone forest, and we've been meaning to take a walk down there and explore it since we got here, and we haven't.
That's what we're doing.
So this is our last night, and we're having a little walk through the forest.
Mike's actually already been for a run through the forest this morning.
With Parker. Parker, did we come through the forest this morning?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, it's lovely. We've got a 3-hour drive tomorrow. We're heading to Nazare, I think you pronounce it.
Which is quite exciting. I'm quite excited.
And we're working our way up to Lisbon, but we want to stop off in Nazare because
big wave surf.
it's famous, world famous for the big wave surf, and you can get waves up to 100 feet tall.
Disclaimer, we will not be surfing big wave surf. We're going to watch big wave surf.
Yeah, we're just going to have a look. And apparently November to, is it February, is a good time of year to see them. So we're a little bit early, but hopefully we'll still see some pretty decent sized waves.
Don't quote me on this, but I think it's where they hold the world championships for surfing.
Yeah, it holds the world records for biggest wave surf.
It does.
By a man and a woman do. So
that is quite exciting. I am actually really excited to go and watch or see these big waves. I know it only is. And then we've got some actual surf planned after that, which is quite exciting, isn't it?
yeah, up in the Algarve. So we've enjoyed our time in Camina. Is it?
One, two, three, four. If you ever want to find a brand new home, I'll take you away. I won't ask why. We can find a field of our very own, playground and garden, and our bed at night. We could take a train across the city and watch a puppet show as it goes by. Men and women running to get home, or bartering or fighting, talking out of rhyme. The earnest mechanic, the lounger, the beggar, the boys and the dogs in the alleyway. The architecture, like frozen music, sings a song of the city's better days. We could just stay here out of the forest and let the postman run all our errands for us. But there's something shameful in the pure joys of a poet until he is alone without the eyes of man to spoil it. If you ever want to find a brand new home, I'll take you away, I won't ask why. If you ever want to find a brand new home, just say goodbye.
So we're just at Nazare, where the biggest waves in the world are. They can go up to 100 feet, but they're about 20 feet today. But there's a sign here showing you where the overwash can come up to on the cliff edge. So you can imagine how big they can get to. I'll show you. So yeah, they're about 20 feet. As I say, they can go up to 100 feet. And you can hear the power of them, they're really powerful. And there's a few jet skis out there today, a couple of surfers we've seen catching a few of them. Yeah, it's amazing. I think we're going to go down to the beach, try and get a closer look, because I can imagine they're going to look even bigger down there.
Stay here out of the forest and let the postman run all our errands for us. But there's something shameful in the pure joy of a poet until he is alone without the eyes of man to spoil it. If you ever want to find a brand new home.
Well, that was a right effort getting down, but it's worth it. Some absolute monster waves. I'll show you them. There's still a few brave surfers out there trying to catch one. This little guy's bored of waves. He wants to go explore the caves. Where are you going?
I'm going here.
Oh, yeah. Watch it, don't bang your head. Some rocks.